Science and technology often fascinate us with its juicy promises and utopias. And so, cashing on the fact that subatomic particles could teleport, quantum physics has raised our hope that one day we will move from the era of locomotion to teleportation. We are still at the level of virtual reality, crawling to get to that age of teleportation. Meanwhile, the science have long before now enjoyed a superior form of teleportation called bilocation. Webster Dictionary defines bilocation as being in two places at the same point in time. From the religious perspective, it is a miracle of God by which a person is made present in two different locations at the same point in time, performing two different tasks. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do it now and make sure you share the link with others to get more details. According to the work by Joan Caro Cruz, titled Mysteries, Marvels, Miracles in the Lives of the Saints, page 1 and 2 present the following story: that while St. Alphonsus Liguori, the bishop and the founder of the Redemptorist order, left his community house at Pagani to go to Napoli to give a lecture to university students, a certain woman who often received help from him came one morning to get the help. A lay brother of the community went up to her and said, "The Lord Bishop has gone to Napoli. He is not around." And the woman went away angrily. Turning and going home, St. Alphonsus bilocated from Napoli to Pagani. He was still giving a lecture there, and he came to Pagani to assist, to give the aids to the woman. And St. Alphonsus was rushing to give an aid he wasn't obliged to give. But many of us today are running away from our responsibilities. That's why we have very negligent parents, indifferent neighbors, and very irresponsible governments. And that has made the world to become a real valley of tears. Now, St. Paul will say, "Imitate me for I imitate Christ." And Alphonsus will reiterate, "Imitate me for I imitate Paul." It is our duty to be responsible for our responsibilities. Till the next market day, it's a bye-bye.